How to add Islamic calendar to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Then, go to Calendar. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your calendar appears. On the Calendar Settings screen, scroll down and tap on Alternative Calendars. From the list that appears, tap on Hijri to enable it. A check mark appears next to Hijri, confirming the selection. The setting is saved automatically and remains active for your calendar. Now, go back to the home screen and tap on Calendar. As you can see, Islamic dates will now appear beneath the main dates throughout your calendar views. The additional date is shown in smaller text, providing a clear reference without altering any events. The change takes effect immediately, so you can browse your schedule and see the Islamic dates alongside the Gregorian dates. Following these steps, you can easily add Islamic calendar to iPhone.